want to talk about quantum mechanics and advanced civilization technology. Now, I don't think that we have advanced civilization technology at the moment. I think we're playing around in the dust of nanites and artificial intelligence and things that are scratching the surface of what could potentially be. But in the meantime, we seem to be losing sight of our humanity and doing what Einstein predicted that we would do. You can stay here with me. And allow technology to take over. You want to go back there? Go on then. You go back there then. Go on then. Go on then. If you want to. So we're not as free as we think we are to explore the frontiers of our own kind of science. The science that's embedded in our DNA. The science that's part of our brain structure, our pineal gland, our kundalini, our energy systems, our meridians. We're not given the kind of information that's necessary, young enough, to be able to capitalize on who and what we really are. So today I'd like to look at a few of the things that add up to evidence, if you like, for advancement being a probability, if not a dead cert, if you allow a civilization to get beyond the state that we are in now. This picture that I'm going to show you is from the Quantum Insider, a solution to the Fermi Paradox. Fermi Paradox being the question, what are we doing sitting here seemingly alone when we're surrounded by billions, trillions, countless zillions of other solar systems and planets not really too far away from us? Well, the answer could lie in communication, and this picture also looks at the communication system that we could well be just kind of missing out on. Over our heads, because we haven't even got into the rudiments yet of entanglement and what to do with entanglement, of wave-particle duality, how to harness the potential of wave-particle duality. Now, who's to say that in the back room of some kind of extremely expensive experiment somewhere, all these things are actually coming to life and becoming realized, but not in our direct line of vision. So all we've really got to work with is our own worlds. Do you remember the Tic Tac incident? You might have seen some footage of an alien craft captured by Navy satellite, Navy technology cameras aboard a plane. Jet fighter pilots saw them. And there's a whole interview with the guy who actually saw the Tic Tac, and it's credible. In my opinion. As are the whole reams of government documents that are coming out of the woodwork left, right and centre to state that there are extraterrestrial civilizations, per se. If you don't believe it, that's fine. You don't need to watch anymore. It's okay. I really don't mind. But what I do mind is that this stuff gets thought about. So if we go on then to otherworldly issues, like, for instance, the appearance of crop circles. Now, it seems that scientists, skeptics, if you like, have grown out of the idea of planks and bar stools being used to make these incredible, huge, perfect objects, and gone into the realms of somebody having some kind of handheld microwave device. Well, here is the pi crop circle, which was quite a famous one that appeared in devices some time ago. Here are another couple of crop circles that appeared in Bavaria thanks to PW Motion, equally interesting, shall we say. We've got a phenomenon called decoherence to thank for our version of reality. These things around me are solid because of decoherence. I'm solid because of decoherence. So my wave particle duality collapses and becomes particulate because of decoherence. It's kind of the opposite of coherence, if you like. You could say that coherence is the quantum version of what we are, and decoherence is the physical version of what we are. Now, coherent light, let's give you an example, is a laser that can cut through steel. So coherence is really, really powerful. I mean, coherence can do amazing things. So if we can become a little bit more coherent in the way in which we think and approach life, surely that's going to stand us in better stead than if we just stay in a decoherent state thinking, oh, well, never mind, where's the next ready meal? Because we can do better than that. We can do so much more. Potentials beyond our wildest imagination. So I hope you think on that, talk about it down the pub, subscribe to the channel, come and join us, have some fun with this stuff. It's interesting, it's useful, and boy, does it matter. So take care of yourselves, see you soon. Bye.